Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Sine 2y equals to 2 sine y cosine y. Now I will put this one goal here. So number 2 and number 2 we have number 4. Next, this one we change by dy over dx. Now we need to swap about this one and this one in here. And this one we will have about dx over dy. And this one they will go to numerator. So I will put this one go to the left. Next, we have s and first derivative of s, that is about linear differential equation. So in this one, we need to use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu y in here. So we have e to the power of the integral. We see that negative sine y next to s, that is for integrating factor. The integral of negative sine y, we have positive cosine y. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. So in this one, we need to use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So for this one, we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to 8b. So the integration of that one, we have s e to the power of cosine y. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equal to cosine y. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative sine y dy. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. This one we change by u and u. Sine y dy we change by negative du. Next, we need to use about this is substitution. This one that is about integration by pass in here. So for this one, I will put about t equals to negative u. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have dt equals to negative du. dv that is about e to the power of u du. The integration of this one, we have v equal to e to the power of u. So we have t multiplied by v minus we have dt multiplied by v, so we have the negative sign here. Negative with negative, we have positive, and we have the integral e to the power of u du. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about cosine y. The integration of this one, that is about this one in here. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.